I hope everybody had a great week. Let's talk about the forecast as we head into your upcoming weekend. All of this beautiful weather that we have been experiencing over the past couple of days, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So the forecast for this weekend looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, as we head into the first half of next week, you are going to notice a small cool down in temperature-wise going from Sunday and into Monday. But aside from that, next week looks absolutely gorgeous. So there really is not much change in our forecast over the next 7 to 10 days. For all high school football games happening tonight, the forecast looks great all evening long under mostly clear skies. Temperatures right along our coastline will be starting out in the middle 50s, will eventually fall into the lower 50s as the game comes to an end. For those inland, we'll be starting out in the lower 50s for the game starting, and then eventually as the games come to an end, temperatures will fall into the upper 40s. Again, clear skies are expected all night long, so the forecast looks perfect. Best of luck to all teams playing tonight. If you are planning to go look for the house of your dreams with Miss Vicki Durkin of Remax Southern Shores this weekend, the forecast looks great. As we head into your Saturday, temperatures starting out a little cool in the lower 50s will eventually climb out into the upper 60s to lower 70s for afternoon high temperatures, and then gradually temperatures will fall back into the middle 60s as the sun has blown back down the horizon. Basically copy and paste that into Sunday, but a couple of degrees warmer regarding the temperatures. We'll be starting out in the middle 60s for your morning. We climb into the lower to middle 70s for afternoon high temperatures, and then gradually temperatures will fall back into the middle to upper 60s as the sun has blown back down the horizon. Both Saturday and Sunday look beautiful under mostly clear skies or mostly sunny skies all day long. How about the forecast as we head into the upcoming work week? I'll tell you everything you need to know coming up in just a few seconds.
At Honest Roofers, they believe in top-notch customer service and honesty and show up to each home site on time. Unlike typical builder-grade shingles that last around 15 years, Honest Roofers shingles last between 20 and 25 years. They do shingle re-roofs, EPDM, and repairs of sloped and flat roofs.
Well, this weekend is going to be gorgeous, and it doesn't stop there. As we head into the upcoming work week, the trend continues. All thanks to high pressure anchored just off our coastline. This gives us a south and a westerly wind, bringing in a little bit warmer air from the Atlantic and from the Gulf. On top of that, high pressure forces air to sink, so you really can't have any evaporation leading to any clouds, rain, or thunderstorms. So with that being said, the forecast for next week looks beautiful under lots of sunshine and mild temperatures. Before I show you our 10-day forecast, here's a look at our holiday tracker. It is so hard to believe that in only 13 days, it'll be Thanksgiving. After that, we have the Clemson Tigers playing the South Carolina Gamecocks in 15 days. The Atlantic hurricane season ends in just 16 days. We bring in winter in 37 days. Santa Claus comes into town in 41 days. And then last but not least, we are going to say goodbye to 2025 and bring in 2026 in under 50 days. Where has 2025 gone? Don't even ask me. I have absolutely no idea. This year has flown by. Crazy to think that Thanksgiving is only in 13 days. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast, proudly brought to you by 100 Plumbing Services. Gorgeous weather as we head over the next 7 to 10 days. Our only bump in the road again, a very small temperature drop going from Sunday and into Monday, and maybe a small chance of rain next Friday, but otherwise that forecast looks very, very dry, and it's the exact same case as we head further inland. Again, you'll notice a temperature drop going from Sunday and into Monday, but otherwise lots of dry weather is expected. Maybe a chance of rain on Friday, but other than that, the forecast looks great. I hope you all have a great weekend.